Welcome back, everyone. Today's lecture is focused on a crucial aspect of any successful business: customer relationship management systems. In a competitive marketplace, building and maintaining strong relationships with your customers can be key to long-term success. CRM systems help business manage customer interactions, track customer data, and improve overall customer satisfaction. Implementing CRM tools and strategies effectively can foster loyalty, drive customer retention, and boost your business growth. This lecture is dedicated to make you learn the following elements: understanding what a CRM system is and its role in managing customer relationships, learning how CRM systems help organize customer data and improve customer interactions, exploring CRM strategies to enhance customer satisfaction and retention, understanding the benefits of CRM implementation for business growth. A customer relationship management system is a technology platform that helps businesses manage interactions with current and potential customers. CRM systems centralize customer information, making it easier to track every touch point with a customer, from initial contact to post-purchase follow-ups. The goal is to build a 360-degree view of the customer that helps businesses deliver personalized experiences, solve customer problems quickly, and anticipate customer needs. CRM systems are essential for managing customer relationships in a scalable way, especially as businesses grow and have more customers to manage. CRMs store detailed information about customers, including their contact details, purchase history, preferences, and past interactions with the company. CRM systems automate repetitive tasks such as follow-up emails, customer service responses, and sales workflows. Every call, email, meeting, and customer service interaction is tracked, so nothing falls through the cracks. CRMs provide insight into customer behavior, sales trend, and customer service performance, helping businesses make data-driven decisions. In today's digital world, customers interact with businesses through multiple channels: websites, social media, email, and in-store visits. A CRM system integrates all this data into one place, making it easier to understand the full scope of your relationship with each customer. Managing customer data effectively is critical because it allows businesses to deliver consistent and personalized experiences, which improves satisfaction and builds loyalty. One of the key benefits of a CRM system is that it centralizes all customer data in one location. This means sales, marketing, and customer service teams can all access the same up-to-date information about customers, leading to better collaboration and more effective communication. By analyzing the data stored in the CRM, businesses can gain insights into customer preferences, buying habits, and feedback. These insights help businesses tailor their products and services to meet customer needs better. CRM systems are powerful tools for building strategies that increase customer satisfaction and retention. Here is how CRM systems contribute to these goals. Customers are more likely to stay loyal to businesses that recognize their individual needs. A CRM system allows you to track customer preferences and personalize communication, whether it's through targeted marketing campaigns or personalized customer service. With a CRM system, you can anticipate customer needs and address potential issues before they escalate. For example, if a customer has a history of product returns, your team can proactively reach out to ensure their next purchase goes smoothly. CRM systems automate follow-up process such as sending thank you emails after a purchase, checking in on customer satisfaction, or reminding customers about upcoming renewals. This kind of thoughtful engagement helps keep customers happy and engaged with your brand. A CRM system can track customer behavior and help you design loyalty programs that reward your best customers. You can also adopt a strategy to reward the customer. This will not only make customers loyal to your brand, but will also allow them to choose your brand over competitors. A CRM system can help you identify opportunities for cross-selling, offering related products, or upselling, offering higher value products. This can be done by tracking purchase history and customer preferences. This not only increases revenue, but also shows customers that you understand their needs. Let's take a look at how Amazon uses CRM strategies. Amazon's recommendation system is one of the most famous examples of CRM in action. When you shop on Amazon, the system analyzes your previous purchases and browsing history to recommend products that align with your interests. This personalized experience keeps customers engaged and encourages repeat purchase. But Amazon's CRM system goes beyond recommendations. They also use automated follow-ups, such as reminding customers about items left in their cart or notifying them when a product they've shown interest in is back in stock. By using CRM data to deliver personalized experiences and timely follow-ups, businesses like Amazon build loyalty and keep customers coming back. Implementing a CRM system can have a transformative effect on your business, not just by improving customer relations, but also by boosting overall business efficiency. As we have discussed, CRM systems help businesses engage with customers more effectively, leading to higher satisfaction and loyalty. Studies show that increasing customer retention by 5% can boost profits by 25 to 95%. CRMs provide valuable insights into customer behavior, sales performance, and service efficiency. By using this data, businesses can make better strategic decisions, from improving marketing campaigns to refining their sales process. CRM systems allow sales teams to automate tasks, manage leads more effectively, and track customer interactions in real time. This streamlining reduces the risk of losing leads and helps close deals faster. When customer data is centralized in one CRM system, different departments, sales, marketing, customer service, can work more collaboratively. Everyone has access to the same information, which leads to more coordinated efforts and better customer experiences. Think of the CRM system like a personal assistant for your business. Just as a personal assistant keeps track of appointments, remembers important details, and helps you stay on top of tasks, a CRM system keeps track of customer interactions, automates follow-ups, and provides insights into customer needs. With the right CRM in place, your business can stay organized, efficient, and always a step ahead in meeting customer expectations. Choose a company that uses CRM systems effectively. Research how they use CRM to enhance customer relationships and improve retention. Write a 500-word analysis on that CRM. What do you think about the role of CRM systems in businesses today? Have you ever had a personalized experience with a company that made you more loyal to them? What challenges do you think businesses face when implementing CRM systems? Let's discuss your thoughts during our next session. That's it for today. In our next session, we will attempt to understand the customer retention strategies, where we will explore more ways to keep customers loyal and engaged with your business. See you next time.